pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car in the kitty up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car in the kitty up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my rolls raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Alright guys, what is up? So, little update on the Avanti 821 that we bought a few months ago. So we did a live on this one back in January, and I told you guys I was gonna give it to a painter to use for a few months, and so here it is, guys. It's still looking good. It's still looking clean. Junior has done a really good job of keeping it clean. It's still looking new. Haven't had any issues with it. Knock on wood, we haven't had any maintenance other than the regular, you know, cleaning it every day and putting oil in the piston. And so it's been working great. I think what we do need right now is a new tip. We're getting a little bit of lines on the paint that the primer that we're spraying right now, but not a big thing. Sorry, I got this selfie mode going on, but yeah, it's holding off great. We're gonna paint this whole new drywall, all of this. We're gonna paint it all with that. As you can see back here, we've already started. Junior started spraying here. We noticed that we started getting a little bit of lines from a little bit of a worn tip. So we are going to back roll. We're gonna go pick up another tip here in a bit, but it's already going. Probably need a new tip, huh?
Yeah.
Have you tried any of the breaker ones to see if they fit? It looks like the Titan ones.
I'm pretty sure you can. You get the whole thing. Yeah.
What do you think so far of the sprayer?
It works good.
You haven't had any issues?
Nope.
No? You got it back, what, in January?
Yeah.
January. Why does it compare to like a Graco? The 395s that
you don't really see no difference.
No difference?
They work good.
You use it every day or?
Every time we do the color changes, when it's like a big job, I use it, and if it's sealing, también.
Almost every day then?
Yeah, almost every day.
What, like 10 gallons a day on it?
Yep.
Alright guys, so yeah, we sprayed this whole job. This was about, I believe, like 1,500 square feet, between 1,500 and 2,000 square feet with the Avanti that day, all the primer. And like I said, Junior's the one that's been using it every day almost. He said he's been running between 5 and 10 gallons a day when he does color changes, and then he'll also do like primer units and things like that. And so far we haven't had any issues. I believe this is the comparable to the 210 ES, which is the one that they carry at Home Depot or Lowe's. But it looks really similar to the 395. I'm not exactly sure which one exactly it's supposed to be the comparable, but I'm guessing the 210 because it's supposed to be a consumer grade gun. And like I said, we've had 210s before and they've worked great. We've had 395s. We have some that we use. We just decided to try this out, and so far 3 months haven't had any large maintenance issues other than the worn tip, which we've gotten replaced. Everything else has been working great. Just as long as you maintain it and you wash it and you take care of it, it's been holding up great. So I'll keep you guys updated in a few more months and let you guys know where it's at after 6 months or maybe a year. And I'll show you guys some more videos where we're using the Avanti. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys next week.